This video will teach you all of the ways to adjust cell size in Microsoft Excel. Setting a specific size. Start by highlighting the row or column that you want to change the cell sizes of. Then, click the Format button. Under Cell Size, set the row height or column width. Click OK to save your changes. Using the mouse, click and drag the row and column boundaries to resize them. To select multiple rows or columns, press and hold Control key as you click rows or columns and drag to resize them. Merging cells. Select the cells you want to merge into one large cell and click the Merge and Center button. Copying and pasting cell sizes. Select the cells you want to copy the height or width of and click Copy. Then, right-click on the column or row and select Paste Special. Keep source columns width. Change cell size to fit content. Highlight the row or column. Then, click the Format button. Under Cell Size, set the Auto Fit Row Height or Auto Fit Column Width. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.